All right, I want to jump on here really quickly. You see where I'm at on the screen here. As soon as YouTube gives me the go ahead, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the stream's on. All right, so here we go. So this is what these are the insiders and what the insiders are buying. First up, WINT. Not a whole lot of conviction here. This will get. It was traded on October 19th, which is today, by a director. It's just 2%, and it's just 100K. Right, so it's not a high conviction buy, but we can look at it. WINT, horrible stock. Would not own this stock, but I bet this stock jumps 3, 4, 5% tomorrow. That's what we're betting here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. The relative strength sucks, but it's got a very, very small float at 15 million shares outstanding, so it could pump. It's not going to pump much. It had a very, very bad day today. And so what's he doing? He's buying the dip. That's it, right? That's it. So I bet it's up 5% tomorrow. All right, next one is a better one. STSA again. This was a redo. October 15th, it was traded. STSA, Satsuma Pharmaceuticals by Commodore Capital. They own 10%, so they had to file 5% larger position. Is high conviction, almost $1 million more at 484. Now let's look at this one. STSA, clearly not the worst stock, right? Not the stock that I would be in, but they knew something because he got in right at the vertical line there, and last 3 days it's moved up fairly quickly. So he knew something was up, and he was also above. He got in right above the 50-day SMA. Here's the thing. Where it sits right now is literally on a resistance line. If it goes green tomorrow and the macro's green, this thing could there's some chop and there's some market memory in there, but don't be surprised. This thing could absolutely in a swing trade go to 550 very, very quickly. The relative strength is at 60, right at it, and pointed up. So that is a good thing. Plus, the float is at 26 million shares outstanding. That's a small float, too, so it could absolutely pump. It does have a $15 price target, so you can watch out for that. So, yeah, you could get real long. Now, what I'm telling you is you're going to have a lot of chop to get to that 550, but in a swing trade, that 550 is not too far away. I bet this goes 5 to 10% tomorrow. Again, on October 20th. So that being said, that is my two basically insider buys for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a like and a follow, and we'll see you tomorrow. Again, we also do YOLO Hour. We YOLO into stocks, FOMO into stocks, the exact opposite of what you should do. We don't do any due diligence, no research. You can and will lose money. It's not financial advice, but it's a hell of a time. Like we saw Bitcoin pumping today on YOLO. We were just cheering it on. It was awesome. So, and we saw about 5 rockets today too. We got in on Wish. We got in on PROG for a little bit. What was the big one? There was a bigger one than that, but HX. So with that being said, we'll see you tomorrow. YOLO Hour it is. See you guys.